I'm back. Hey, so we're going to jump right into how we designed this whole basement and the little hiccup that we ran into and how we fixed it with Retique It. So let's go right into it. In our last video, you saw the delivery of our modular home and the start of our basement design. Today, we're going to dive into the design process that was key to getting everything in place, starting with the kitchen island. So one of the tools that we used to bring our ideas to life was Sweet Home 3D. It's a free interior design application that helped us draw up the entire basement plan, including the placement of the kitchen and island. It's easy to use, and it even allows you to see everything in 3D, which is so cool. I'll put the link to download Sweet Home 3D in the description below so that you can try it for your own projects. When we were designing the basement, Sweet Home 3D helped us visualize the space. But as we went further along, we discovered this load-bearing wall, which forced us to rethink the placement of the kitchen island. So I knew I wanted something that wasn't going to be permanent, that we could move it around, because our basement was a place that we had get-togethers and we played ping pong. And so I knew I wanted something with wheels. I looked online, and everything I saw online was either too expensive or it looked flimsy, and it just didn't have the right look. So I realized I really needed to use Retique It for this, and we actually had an old desk that was waiting to be transformed. So instead of installing a fixed island, I got creative. We had an old desk, and with a little help from Retique It, we transformed it into a rolling butcher block style island. First, we gave the desk a light sand to prepare the surface with Retique It. You don't need to strip or fully sand off the old furniture, just enough to rough it up a little. Next, we applied Retique It's wooden primer, which preps the surface for the weathered wood finish. This primer is key to getting the right texture and look, and it's so cool because it actually contains over 60% recycled wood fibers, so you really get that unfinished, raw wood feel with it. With the primer dry, we used Retique It's weathered wood kit on the desktop. The graining tools allow us to create a natural, rustic finish, perfect for a butcher block style island. To give it a modern farmhouse look, I painted the legs and apron in white. This contrast really brings out the beauty of the wood grain on the top. And I just love these chunky legs on this desk. I think it's just going to be perfect. Thanks to Retique It, we created a beautiful functional piece that adds character and practicality to the space. If you loved this transformation, I've got even more DIY tips and tricks to share. Check out my video course, The Ultimate Guide to Wood Graining with Retique It, where I teach you step by step how to create stunning wood finishes just like this. And while we're so happy how this space turned out, we've been working on something even more exciting for the second floor. For this next project, we decided to try something a little different. We got help from someone who created a stunning 3D mock-up for our second floor that looks like it came straight out of a magazine. I can't wait to show you. I can't share all the details just yet, but trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one. So stay tuned and make sure to follow so you don't miss it. With the help of Sweet Home 3D, we were able to plan our basement and get everything just right, even after facing unexpected challenges. And with Retique It, we transformed this old desk into the perfect rolling island.